Hi there, today I'd like to take a look at this product. It comes in a really nice box, so this is would be great for a gift. It is made in China, so nice gift box, nice sturdy box. Instruction manual, and here is the lighter. It's one of those that would work, it works really well, it's very nice, and you probably want to have a microfiber cloth handy because it's one of those that definitely shows all the fingerprints and stuff, so you can polish it up and make it look real nice. It is heavy, it feels significant, substantial, it feels solid and feels like it's great quality. It is about 3¼ inches long, by 1 inch by a little over 3/4 of an inch, and this is what it looks like. It looks great. It looks really nice. It does not come with any fluid. Here is your it uses butane gas, and you refill down here and you have a little view. You can see the liquid right there. This tends to burn through liquid fuel real quick. You just flip this open, and then this is how you light. Let me show you this other stuff before I turn off the light. Okay, on the bottom, so here's the top, here's the bottom. On the bottom, you can flip this up very easily, and there is your cigar punch. And then here is your flame adjuster. Oops. So you get a flathead screwdriver, and then the instructions are funny because it shows a diagram and it says that is just a screw, that is not the flame adjuster. The flame adjuster is here. You got your plus, you got your minus, and then you turn this, and that's your flame, and then you stick your butane and you refill in there as well, and that's what it says over here. It's funny. It says, it's a screw, not the flame adjuster. Here is the flame adjuster. Okay, and then the refill valve. Alright, so now I can turn off the light. So hopefully you can see the flame. So flip up. So you see how it has the 4 all around? So it has the 4, so this eats up fluid pretty quick, but that's a nice flame it puts out. Oh, no, I still have some. Probably because I was holding it off to the side. See the 4 thingies to shoot out flame. Alright, so there you go. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.